Okay guys, today's video we're going to make a quesadilla. So first of all, we're going to cut it down the middle, but not all the way, well most of the way, alright? So now we're going to use cheese, popcorn chicken, and prefer mayonnaise, or you could do spicy mayonnaise. But prefer mayonnaise. So first of all, you're going to put it in one section. Put the cheese in one section. And then you're going to fold it up. I think that's enough cheese. Okay, now you're going to add the chicken. Add the popcorn chicken on there. Nice and best. And if you got too much chicken, you can just eat it. And now you add you add the mayonnaise. Now you add cheese. And make sure you like and subscribe and hit the subscribe button. Make sure you spread the cheese around. And now this is how you're going to flip it. So you're going to get it like this. And then flip it like that. And then make sure you put it over here in the toaster. And turn it on till it goes crispy brown. Bye.